Hello and welcome to MFCP Woodworking. Won't be doing a wood turning video today for the reasons you can see on your screen right now. This is our second major storm of the year, and this is the entrance to my shop. And I'd say the low spot there is about 3 feet deep. So I can clear this out to get into that doorway there. But it's going to take me most of the day to get everything set up because I have to haul wood as well. I'm also have to do it very slowly. I'm currently wearing a hernia belt as I'm awaiting minor surgery for repair there. And also I have bulged discs in my lower back, so I have to be careful about heavy lifting. As you can see, this is not a little bit of work. The back wall of the greenhouse has about 5 feet of snow against it, and I can't see what's on the roof yet. I think the wind blew it basically clear, so that might not be a big issue. I have to police that. I figure it can hold about 3 feet of light snow, but if it gets heavy when it melts, that's an issue, and I have to get it off it, clear it off of there. And that's a lot of work. I'm disappointed. I'm kind of apologizing to my subscribers right now because I really like to do a lot more work. But this is quite the winter wonderland. There's a track you can see there. My wife decided to see how passable it is to get to the road right now, because my roadway here does not get shoveled. And it's a lot of work to get anything done around here right now. Not that I'm complaining, we'll get her done. I've got 2 orders to fulfill by the end of the day. I had a special order, a custom work to do, and that'll be going out tomorrow morning. Because it's ready now, I'm just waiting for the finish to completely cure. Because when I pack it in a cardboard sleeve, and I don't want the finish to stick to it at all or get marred by it, which can happen. You can see this is where we're living. This is where the shop is, and this is also why we don't have a little store on our property, because no one could get to it anyway. Anyway, I just wanted to drop that on everybody so they know that we're okay, but we've got a bit of work to do today, and it'll take me all day, and I'll be pretty exhausted by the time it's over. So if you like my channel, as always, subscribe. Take a look at my other videos today, the turning videos. That's what I do, and a little bit of carving. I hope people enjoy my stuff. There's actually quite a bit piled up there now, and I appreciate each and every one of you that take the time to look at my stuff. So give me a like, give me some comments. I appreciate hearing from you all the time. So next week will be better, because I can't see it snowing like this every week. This is near record accumulations here on the ground anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.